Okay. Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad.
Right, so one thing I forgot to show you on the last video, because I was stupid and I stopped recording, was the beautiful engine bay in the S14. And obviously now, because I can't paint and it's sat in the trees, there's bits of rust everywhere, but I'll have to clean all that up again and paint it again. Just, I don't know, it's just rusty water, I think. Oh, that just peeled off. So yeah, this is an M54B30, the one that was in my red E46. Put a picture of you, I'm sure you've seen it if you follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And yeah, God knows what the mileage is on it at the moment, but it runs and it drives, as you've seen. Basically, when we got the car, the front end had been cut off already, so Mr. Dick Fab himself knocked up this little tube front end jobby. And then he's left those protruding there ready for a front bumper bar to hold this up. Not a bash bar, just a bumper bar. And then we've got the original, they're the BMW headers or exhaust manifolds, which have been put down there with the lambdas back in. Custom mounts, which, come on, focus, Richard had made years ago. Sorry for the bad focus. So literally it made it easier. Again, you can't really see this side with all that rubbish. All the wiring's coming through there. Grab a ram air filter, you know, because we're cool. Headlights, glass, which apparently are the cool ones. Front bumper, it did have, originally had the front, it was the stock one, sorry, stock front bumper, and this kit, the rest of the kit came with the car as well. And then Mr. Nathan Brackenbury, sorry if I messed up your name, had this one available and we swapped. I'm glad I did, because it just suits the whole car better, in all honesty. And yeah, all the rear end is S14, as you've seen, as well as the front half of the prop. The front half of the prop, which is welded very, very well to the front half of the BMW prop. So obviously you're running BMW 5-speed. God, I sound so mad. And then obviously the BMW engine. So yeah, subscribe if you'd like, that'd be nice. Drop a like, comment, like I said, and keep an eye on the channel. See you soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
But you left me alone inside these empty, broken walls, and I can't see it clearly, but it's obvious. I know